Hello, everyone! Are you ready to stop being a background character in someone else's story and start writing your own epic adventure? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into how you can unlock your best life by finding your purpose and igniting your passion. Let's kick things off with a little story about Bob. Yes, Bob. Bob used to be like many of us, waking up every morning with the enthusiasm of a deflated balloon. He did the same old tasks at his job, watched the same old TV shows, and ate the same old spaghetti on Wednesdays. Talk about a Groundhog Day nightmare. But here's the twist. One day, Bob stumbled over his old guitar in the attic. He strummed a few chords and suddenly, the sparks flew literally. He needed to fix that guitar. But metaphorically too, because rediscovering his love for music rekindled a passion he'd forgotten. And guess what? Bob transformed. He started a band, began performing locally, and most importantly, he smiled a lot more. Bob found his purpose, and he started living passionately. Now, you're thinking, great for Bob, but what about me? Here's the secret, my friends. Your purpose isn't hiding in an attic. It's woven into the very things that make your heart race a bit faster and your eyes light up. Start by asking yourself, what makes me forget to check my phone? Is it painting, coding, cooking, or perhaps conversational basket weaving? Whatever it is, it's a clue. Next step, dive deep. Don't just dip your toes. Plunge into your passions. Read about them, meet people who share them, get your hands dirty. Make your life a series of experiments. Some will flop, and that's okay. Remember, every failed souffle or tangled knitting project is just a stepping stone. And here's the kicker. Combining your passion with daily actions creates momentum. And with momentum comes transformation. You start to carve out a life that feels as exciting at 6 a.m. on a Monday as it does at 9 p.m. on a Friday. Suddenly, you're not just living, you're living with intention. But hey, let's be real. Finding and following your passion isn't about escaping work or responsibilities. It's about enhancing every part of your life. It's like adding hot sauce to your favorite dish. It just makes everything better. So what are you waiting for? Go out there, find your guitar in the attic, and start strumming your own life's melody. Make mistakes, laugh at them, and then keep playing. Because at the end of the day, a life fueled by purpose and joy isn't just about doing what you love, it's about loving what you do and sharing that love with the world. And remember, if Bob can do it, so can you. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living your best life. Here's to finding your purpose and setting your world on fire. Cheers.